I want to talk quickly about the Monday Foundation. Every Elevate we mention this, and this is something that's very important for both Roy and myself and the rest of the leadership team in Monday. For us, it's always been about creating a very successful company, but at the same time, we want to give back to the community and do good as much as we can. So Roy and myself, we want to highlight two initiatives that we've been working on in the last few years. So the Mountain Foundation is aimed at doing good in the world, whatever it is. And one of the main initiatives that we have is our emergency response team, or as we call it, ERT. It's basically like a Monday 911, I guess. Whenever there's a disaster or something happening in the world, the team actually engages, travels there, fly there, and with Monday, they try to help, whether it's coordinating efforts or helping teams or just use technology to make everybody more efficient in what they need to do. And you can see here a map of the world of what the team have been in the last 2 years. We've literally been everywhere. And the feedback that we get on how we leverage technology to help teams and countries in distress is unbelievable. You can see a graph here of what we've been doing in the last 3 years. So just last year, we've been in 58 disasters across 38 countries. And every time we come, we're being proactive, asking how we can help, and actually deploying the team and our technology to help different countries in different situations.
Yeah. So before I go and talk about the second initiative, I want to also share that we care deeply that we're able to use our abilities as a tech company with our vision and abilities to give back, and not only do it with, let's say, putting money aside, but also putting our brains, putting our employees' brains into it, and helping make a change in the world in areas we feel we can do it. So the other initiative we're making is phenomenal. It's called Tech School. And it's basically, we're going to underserved communities and trying to make a change in the kids there, that they will see that they have that will give them the option to pick a different future, that they will expect more, that they can do more. And we do that through technology. We do that through also connecting them to us. Okay, bringing people from schools to Monday offices, meeting Monday employees, but also like a rigorous year-long program that teaches them 3D printing, and we're adding more to the curriculum. And what I think is like classic tech capability is the scale, okay? That we built it to scale super fast. You can see the scale we've done now with the students, and it's not an easy thing to do, but we have way more ambitious goals going forward.
Yeah, and I can add that specifically New York has been in our focus in tech school. We scale here very nicely. It's very close to our hearts. And we want to say thank you for the team and everybody being part of this amazing initiative. Nothing excites us more than getting text messages from kids saying, I didn't know I can do that. You changed my perspective of what I can achieve. And the fact we can make technology accessible to those kids is unbelievable. So I think, yeah, thank you. So we got a video. We'll get off the stage. We'll let you see the video. And we'll see you throughout the next 2 days. Again, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the story of how the Monday.com emergency response team supported relief organizations on the ground after devastating floods hit Bahia Blanca, Argentina.
In March 2025, Bahia Blanca was hit by one of the most destructive floods in its history. Over 350,000 people were affected by this disaster. Entire neighborhoods were submerged. Families were displaced. Homes and livelihoods were lost.
Logramos que en menos de 24 horas ya haya equipos desplegándose desde distintas zonas del país. Hoy llevamos más de 500 participaciones acumuladas, no solo por voluntarios, sino también por miembros de nuestro staff.
This is how the Monday.com emergency response team operated shortly after the floods hit. We didn't just offer a platform, we offered hands-on support to build custom workflows directly with the people leading the response. We helped 6 aid organizations in the field to coordinate the response more effectively. From managing aid distributions and mapping the needs of affected communities to coordinating hundreds of their volunteers, together, we created powerful digital tools in real time. And in just a few days, those systems helped scale their impact across the city. We supported aid organizations, leaving them ready for the next time such a disaster hits. We know that when we work together, we can really make a difference.
Tech School isn't just a program, it's where youth enter the world of tech. Created by the Monday.com Foundation, it's a year-long program in 3D printing, AI, and design, where students can learn by doing and gain real skills for the tech world. Last year, students turned their ideas into impact. In Israel, they designed puzzles for blind children, now shared across the country. In New York, they created tools, pencils, fidgets, scissors, that help kids with disabilities eat, write, and play on their own. The year ended with makeathons in Tel Aviv and New York, high-energy, hands-on events where students brainstormed, prototyped, and cheered each other on. Over 1,200 students and teachers came together to create, compete, and push ideas forward. Teams raced to turn ideas into real products, learning teamwork, creativity, and problem-solving along the way. This year, we're pushing even further, partnering with 150 schools and 5,500 students in New York, London, and Israel. Every kid deserves a shot. We're here to give it.